Good day and mabuhay. Our lesson for this week is the concept of ratio and proportion. Second quarter, week 2. And this is Maestro 05DX. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe all my videos. And for our most essential learning competency, finds a missing term in proportion, direct, inverse, and partitive. But on this video, I will just discuss the missing term in proportion. After going through this lesson, you are expected to illustrate and understand the concept of ratio and proportion. When two ratios are equal, they form a proportion. Proportion is a statement of equality between two ratios. As we have defined last time, that ratio is a comparison of two quantities. Okay, there are two terms in proportion. We have the first and the last term called as the extreme. And the second and the third term is called as the means. Okay, look at the example below. In the proportion, the cross product of equal ratios are equal. Again, in the proportion, the cross product of equal ratios are equal. You have the A over B is equals to C over D. The cross product of A and D, once we multiply it, is equals to the product of C and D. Again, AD is equals to BC or BC, CB. Then, AD is equals to BC. To rewrite, A is to B is equals to C is to D, and B and C are called as the means, and A and D is called as the extremes. Let me give you an example. Okay, again, A is to B is equals to C is to D. Thus, the product, if the means is equal to the product of the extreme, then they must be equal. Example, tell whether the ratios form a proportion. We have 3 over 4 is equals to 6 over 8. So let's cross multiply. So 3 times 8 is equals to the product of 4 and 6. And the product of 3 and 8 is 24, and 4 and 6 is 24. Then 24 is equals to 24. The two ratios are proportion since they are equal. Take note that the two ratios are proportion since they are equal. Example, find the value of x. Find the value of x. You have 2 over 4 is equals to 3 over x. So we have to cross multiply the 2 and x. So that will become x times 2 is equals to 4 times 3. So x times 2 is equals to 2x equals 3 times 4 is 12. And then divide all terms by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is equals to x. And 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. Next sample. We have 4 over 6 is equals to n over 3. Again, cross multiply. So, that is 6 times n is equals to 6n. Then 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Then divide all terms by 6. And then 6n divided by 6 is equals to n. And 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. So, therefore, the value of n is 2. Another example, you have n over 4 is equals to 10 over 5. Cross multiply. So, you have n times 5 is equals to 5n. And 4 times 6 is 4 times 10 is equals to 40. Divide all terms by 5. So, 5n divided by 5 is equals to n. And 40 divided by 5 is equals to 8. So, n is equals to 8. Next sample, you have n over 12 is equals to 6 over 8. So, if you'll notice that we always put the unknown variable to the left side of the equation. So, 6n times 8 is equals to 8n once we cross multiply that. And then 6 times 12 is equals to, so you have to multiply to 12 and 6, and that is equals to 72. And then divide all terms or both sides by 8. So 8n divided by 8 is equals to 72 divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is n. And 72 divided by 8 is equals to 9. Next sample, you have 16 over n is equals to 4 over 10. Again, cross multiply. So that is equals to n times 4 is equals to 4n. And equals to 16 times 10 is equals to 160. Again, divide both sides by 4. So, 4n divided by 4 is equals to 160 divided by 4. Cancel 4 and 4. So, that will become n is equals to 160 divided by 4 is equals to 40. Next sample, you have 8 over 12 equals 10 over n. Again, cross multiply the 8 and n. So, that will become 8n. And cross multiply the 12 and 10. So, that will become 120. Divide both sides by 8. So, 8n divided by 8 is n, and 120 divided by 8 is equals to 15. So, n is equals to 15. And that's all. And for the learning task, you have solved each proportion in your notebook. We have 8 over 12 is equals to 2 over x. Number 2 is 10n is equals to 4 over 15. Number 3, 4/16 is equals to 20/n. Number 4, we have 14/12 is equals to n/12. And the last one is equals to 6/12 is equals to 15/n. At maraming salamat. Thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget to click the subscription button and hit the notification bell for more videos. Okay, maraming salamat.